Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at crime prevention and crime prevention for your caravan. So stay tuned.
This video is sponsored by Shield Total Insurance. For a competitive quote, please click the link below.
So after serving 30 years in the police force, sadly I used to come across quite a lot of thefts, and some of them were caravan related. So today I'm going to be talking you through some crime prevention measures you can take to protect your caravan so that you continue to enjoy your hobby. So let's take a look first of all on the outside of your caravan. So first of all we have the hitch lock. Now this lock that I have on my caravan is unique to this particular hitch. You need to make sure that you get one that fits your particular hitch. The universal ones tend to be a little fiddly, so I would opt for one that's more unique to your caravan. So this is a wheel lock, and this one is a Nemesis Ultra lock. Now we use this whilst it's away on holiday, and we also use it as a secondary wheel lock while we have the van in storage. Also available to secure your caravan are steady locks. There's several companies make these, and some actually have some form of alarm fitted to them, but mainly they're a mechanical device. Another place where you can fit a lock is the actual caravan door itself. These are available on the internet. So the last thing I'm going to talk about on the outside of the caravan is actually the hatches that are all in most caravans these days. This one in particular is the toilet cassette hatch. Now it does come with a manufacturer lock, and I always keep this locked even when we're on a site, because should somebody take your cassette toilet out of here, it's going to cost you over £100 to replace, and that's £100 that ruins your next holiday. So you just need to make sure that these are secure. So just before we head on inside, I thought I'd mention the awning. What you need to do is make sure that the curtains to the awning are closed when you're out, and anything of high value is removed and placed either in the boot or some form of secure storage. So we've moved inside. Let's take a look at some of the preventative measures you can take inside the van. Now, some caravans come with a factory fitted alarm system. This is a passive alarm system which works on a remote control fob, and it will make an audible alarm to let everybody know on the campsite that somebody's trying to break into your caravan. There are other alarms on the market which are covert and actually will ring your mobile phone. They'll send you a text message or a phone call to tell you that your caravan's being broken into. This allows you to contact the police or your campsite if you're away and get them to investigate on your behalf. Also, we like to take some of our favourite gadgets with us, whether it be a tablet or your phone or a camera even. Now, these really should be stored when you're not in the van, inside the boot of your car or in a secure strong box. Now, you can buy safes for your caravan, but to be honest they are pretty heavy and they do take up some of your weight. So I have another little safe that I bring with me. So let's take a look at it. So here's my little safe. I use it for my keys. It's a brilliant thing. It's actually about £10 on the internet. If you turn it over, you can just untwist that, put some of your smaller things in, like, I don't know, you might have an expensive watch or even your house keys. Perfect place to put them out the way. So just to finish off, the idea of crime prevention is to prevent somebody from taking something that doesn't belong to them. And if you can create as many barriers and obstacles in their way, they will either one, move on to somebody else's caravan, which I know is a shame, or two, they will just walk away because it's too hard for them. They want a quick buck, so they want everything to be easy. So you make it as difficult as you possibly can. Well, thank you very much for watching. I hope you've gained something from this video, and if you've got other ideas that I haven't mentioned, please drop them in the comments. But I'd just like to say thank you and bye for now.